Hello friends. So now today we are going to start our user side in online quiz management system. So today we are going to create list of our we are going to display like when you are going to log in. After that page we are going to display all the exam categories, and then after when you are going to select any exam categories, so in next page we are going to display countdown timer, and then after we are going to display all the questions and previous next button according to that exam category. But today's video I am going to show you how we can display all the exam categories, and when you select any exam categories we are going to display countdown timer. So in this video I am going to show up to this, and next video we are going to display all the questions according to your selected exam. So now first of all we are going to start from our login page. We need to use session, so we are going to take here session start in our user side login page. It means here. Okay, session start, and now here we are going to take username value inside session. So $session username is equal to $post username. So we take this username, and now we are going to forward after login. We are going to forward on select_exam.php. So these things we have to do in our login page, and now we are going to create this page select_exam.php. So right click here, new PHP file. Select_exam. So now we have this page select_exam.php. Here we are going to take this demo page code, and we are going to paste here demo page code. Now first of all we are going to write here our session condition. It means user is not login. Then we are going to forward them on login page. If not is set $session username, then we are going to forward user to our login page. So script type text JavaScript, window.location is equal to, we are going to write here login.php. Yeah, now we are going to include our connection file here, and now here we are going to display all our exam categories. So $res is equal to mysqli_query $link select star from exam_category. We are going to display our all the exam categories from this table. Now we have to write here while $row is equal to mysqli_fetch_array, and then $res. Now we are going to display buttons. Oh, one moment. Yeah, so here normal input type button, then class is equal to btn success, and then form control. This is for designing. Then value echo $row, and we are going to display here category category. Then here we need to use style. Here we are going to take margin top 10 pixel. Then we are going to set background color blue, and we are going to display font color white. Yeah, and now in on-click event we are going to pass one function that we are going to create set exam type underscore session, and inside that we are going to pass this dot value. Yeah, now we are going to log in and we are going to check we got list over there or not. So I entered username password and you can see we got here our exam category. You can see we have one exam category, that's why we are getting here one. If you added multiple exam categories from admin, you will get here multiple exam categories. So yeah, so we got here our exam categories. Now we need to create this function. So we are going to create this function, because when you are going to select this exam, we need to take exam time, etc. in session. That's why we are going to start here JavaScript and we are going to use Ajax. We are going to write this code for Ajax. Here we are going to take in variable. So I am going to take variable, yeah, exam category. Now variable HTML HTTP is equal to new HTML HTTP request. Then HTML HTTP dot wanted state change is equal to function. Now here we are going to write if HTML HTTP dot ready state is equal to 4 and HTML HTTP dot status is equal to 200. Then we are going to forward window.location is equal to dashboard.php. Now after this we need to write curly bracket then semicolon. Now we need to write here HTML HTTP dot open. This is the basic code of Ajax. Here we are going to pass get. Here we are going to pass our page name for Ajax that we are going to create now in few minutes. Set exam type underscore session dot php question mark exam underscore category is equal to, we are going to write here plus, and we are going to pass our variable. Yeah, so we pass our variable and then true, and then we are going to write HTML HTTP dot send null. Yeah, so we write our code. Yeah, and after that we are going to forward on dashboard.php. So we need to create here one folder name for Ajax. We are going to save our all Ajax file inside here. Now here I am going to create new PHP file. Set exam type underscore session. Yeah, so now we are going to write code for this file. So we have to write here we are going to start session start. Then here we need to give include dot / connection.php. We are going to include our connection file. Then dollar exam underscore category is equal to, we are going to get this value. So here we are going to write dollar underscore get, yeah, exam category. Now here we are going to take one series session exam underscore category is equal to, we are going to set this variable. Now $res is equal to mysqli underscore query. Now we are going to fetch our exam time. So mysqli underscore query, here $link, and here we are going to write select star from exam underscore category is equal to, exam underscore category, where category is equal to $exam category. Now while $row is equal to mysqli underscore fetch underscore array, then $res. Now here $underscore session, we are going to declare one session name, exam underscore time. Here $row, we need to check our variable, exam time in minutes. So here exam time in minutes. So we take our exam time in our session variable. Now we have in minutes, so now we are going to take current time. So YMD HIS, I am going to explain you, no worry. Now underscore session end time is equal to date. We are going to add our minutes in our current time, so we got our end time. That's why we are going to write this function. Date, here YMDHIS, then str to time, $date, plus underscore session exam time space minutes. Let's see we are getting any problem or not. Dot slash, we are going to add that time, that's why. Let me take a look. Yeah, I think no error. Now underscore session, here we are going to take variable exam start is equal to, yes, so it indicates that our exam is going to start. So this is also ready. Now here we need to create our dashboard.php. So new PHP file, dashboard. Here we don't need to do anything, so no worry about it. Just copy this demo code and just paste here. Now we are going to edit our header page, that is the main. So this is the header page. Here first of all we need to delete our unwanted page. So here this is our unwanted page, unwanted link, sorry. So I'm going to delete this unwanted link. Here we are going to pass logout.php. Here the user, in place of this we are going to write code underscore session username. Yeah, now let me check what we can edit here. Yeah, this is the countdown timer, this is the main thing. Here we need to give our division, so division ID, here we are going to write countdown timer. Here we are getting our countdown timer. Style display block, spelling is right, countdown timer. Ah, that is perfect. Now here we need to write JavaScript code, means Ajax. So just script type, that's JavaScript. Here also we need to write ajax, so I am going to copy this ajax code. So we need to change minor thing only, that's why. Function timer. Yeah. Now add similarity request, this is same. Only state change, that is same. For 200, that is same. Here we are going to write if at similarity tb.response text, means we are getting any response from ajax file, this code will run. So countdown timer only 1 second, means countdown timer going to 0. On that time this will run. Window.location is equal to result.php. We don't have this page, but no worry about it, we will create it. Result.php, and now here we are going to write document dot get element by id, and here we need to give countdown timer dot inner html is equal to http dot response text. This is the JavaScript source, so if you are getting any error, then you are not getting error, so that's why we need to check properly. For ajax, I am going to create one new file, load underscore timer.php, and here we don't need to pass any parameter. Yeah, so I think this is okay. And now we are going to create new file inside this for ajax folder, new php file, load underscore timer. So now we are going to write code inside this. So for this I am going to delete this, and now here I am going to write first of all session underscore start. So here session underscore start, then if not is set do underscore session end time, means your exam is not start, then we are going to display 000, otherwise we are going to display countdown timer. Yeah, and one more thing, here we are going to call this function set interval, here function 1000. So we are going to count down timer at every 1 second, that's why we need to call this timer at every 1 second. We are going to call this function at every 1 second. Yeah, so now we were in load timer. Yeah, inside else I am going to take one variable is equal to his, here str to time do underscore session end time minus str to time ymd current time. Yeah, now if str to time do underscore session end underscore time less than str to time date, what is the problem with count? Then we need to check. This is complete here. Yeah, it means we are going to check end time is less than current time. It means we are going to display here 0 0 0 0 0 0. It means exam over. Otherwise we are going to display $time1. Now yeah, we need to create one more page, and that is logout. Yeah, so I'm going to log out now, and here I'm going to write my username, password, and when I'm going to select this exam, oh, something problem. So here in select exam page we are going to check what is the problem. Yeah, so here we are going to check alert HTML http dot, yeah, response text. We are going to check what is the problem. Yeah, we are getting nothing, so we are going to check one moment. Yeah, we did mistake here in select exam page. You can see our 4-digit spelling is wrong, and in header also our 4-digit spelling is wrong. Now I'm going to load this page. Now I'm going to click on PHP. You can see here we got here countdown timer, and if you get any problem, then open any session error here, then open this dashboard.php, and you can write here session start. Like if you're not writing here session start, you are getting error like this. So just write here session_start on dashboard.php. Now I am going to log out, and here you can see here 1 minute, so I am going to write here 2 minutes, and now we are going to log in, and we are going to select that exam. So you can see countdown timer start is from 2 minutes, and when it's 0 it will forward on result.php. On that time we are going to display student result over there. And yeah, main thing, in video description you can find this today's created all files over there, so you can just use that. But if you don't watch this full video, you are not getting actually what we did. So you compulsory you need to watch this video, then and then you are getting the idea where you are going to include this file. So in next video we are going to display here our selected categories, all question with previous next button. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like it and share it maximum. Thank you so much again.